Good morning, my dear students. Let us start today second chapter, Two Deer, written by Leo Tolstoy. Two Deer, written by Leo Tolstoy, famous Russian writer. He is from what? Russia, and famous writer, and he is well known novels and short story writer. He has written novels and short stories, and when we see his novels, maybe short stories, realistic fictions, novels, considered one of the world's greatest novelists. So, realistic concept we can see in his novels as well as in short stories. And basically, short stories, it has started in France. A famous short story writer, Guy de Maupassant, is the first person to write a form of literature that is called short stories. And here, Two Deer, it is also a story related to what? Monaco. Monaco, small kingdom. Small kingdom. So, once again, I would like to repeat, title of this chapter is Two Deer, written by Leo Tolstoy, a Russian famous writer. He used to write novels as well as short stories, and his best known novels, we can say, one is War and Peace, War and Peace, and another one is Anna Karenina. Two famous novels. How in our India we have in every house Mahatma Gandhi's autobiography, My Experiment of Truth. Like that, in Russia, people, they very much fond of to read Leo Tolstoy's War and Peace. So, when we come to this part, this one, what? Two Deer, short story, modified. Basically, it has written in France, means French, Maupassant writer, and he has modified, Leo Tolstoy modified it, and now we are going to just see the outline, a story of Two Deer. As we know that it is related to king and small kingdom. This Monaco, a little kingdom. Here, little kingdom. Little kingdom. It is on the shore of Mediterranean Sea, border of France and Italy. In Europe, a small, what here, state, a kingdom. And for every state, country, on those days, what they used to have a king And here also we can see that a king who is take administration and lead in a proper way. So like that, here maybe the France, maybe the Germany, maybe the Italy, whichever the country, state it may be, like that he too, this king of Monaco, used to rule that country, kingdom, country, let us say country. So on the shore of Mediterranean Sea, borders of France and Italy, that was situated, means this Monaco was situated. And when we come to concept here, when we come to here population of that small tiny kingdom, in total 7,000 people. See, 7,000 people they used to stay in that tiny little kingdom. 7,000 people used to stay. Already I told, it was smooth going, and 7,000 people used to stay in that a tiny kingdom. His administration was good. Like other kings, he too had small army, and 60 men in that army. Strength of that army is 60 men, but it is called army, and whatever the things to be there in that court, maybe he has palace, courtiers, means whoever comes a guest to take care, facilities, relatives, everything, what to be, how to be treated. So it was there, maybe palace, maybe courtiers, then ministers, bishop, generals, and an army. So everything, as a king, whatever the things to be there, everything he used to maintain. Then, so this was here. And one thing, to maintain the palace administration, we know that source, revenue is very important. How to collect revenue, source, income. So for that, he used to put tax on what? See here, taxes on tobacco, wine, spirits, nothing but alcoholic. Poll tax means tax which is put on individual, poll tax. So tobacco, wine, spirits, poll tax. So these were the four commodities used to tax. Maybe to collect the revenue, to run his administration softly, smoothly, without any obstacles. So he used to collect the tax. As a administrator, he was not able to maintain everything, whatever the branches, department it may be. It was not enough to run with that source. Maybe collecting the tax from tobacco, spirits, wine, poll tax. So he thought, given permission to open gaming house, here as a king, he has given permission to open gaming house. So their gaming house is nothing but in modern days what we call club. So here, and people used to go and play roulette. Roulette is nothing but here gambling play. Here game, gambling game. So to collect special revenue, he has given permission to open gaming house to play what game? Gambling games in that what house? On that, what here? On that gaming house, whoever used to own those gaming house, they used to collect amount each round, extra amount. Those keeper means who used to run that gaming house, he used to collect, and whatever the here collection, he will get certain percentage. Those owners used to give to this what? King. So that was the another special source king used to get. King used to get from gaming house. As we all know that he used to collect the tax on tobacco, wine, spirits, tax, poll. Means here nothing but here poll tax means tax collected on individual. That revenue was not sufficient to run his administration, maintain his palace with all facilities. So decided to give the permission to hoping that he may get extra revenue, given permission to start gaming houses, and nearby means neighboring countries, maybe France, Italy, Germany, before maybe in those countries that was there after few years they stopped. Neighboring countries. So people who are interested to play game, maybe cards, game, this gambling game. So all the people they started to come and play in this what? Tiny kingdom country to spend what? There maybe few people they used to win, few people they used to lost their lose their money. So all this was started, but neighboring countries thought it was not good for the people, so they decided to stop. But no other way for this king of Monaco to stop that game, because gaming houses were the main source him to get in the form of what? Tax. So all the people they used to come and play their game, and then according to rounds they used to pay the amount to the keeping who used to run that gaming house. They used to give the money after each round of game, and that amount in the form of what? A revenue, in the form of percentage, he used to give what? To this king. And king used to collect that amount and then started what? In a proper way, he looked after the administration of his kingdom. Then what happens here? This establishment left in Europe, maybe the neighboring countries. Establishment means here people used to play a game and realized, they stopped. Neighboring countries. But this Monaco, a small country, has not stopped because of what here? Special source of income which used to come from that gaming house. And even king was very well aware of that. It was bad, dirty business. But no other way. King know very well. It is a dirty business, but there was no another way to stop that. And it was monopoly of the business. So for that reason, here, even though if we know that it is dirty business, there is no other way. Why means everything, whatever the in his court administration to look after, to maintain, so he permitted them to run all those gaming house in his country, kingdom. And apart from this, here he hold all type of ceremonies as a king. How the king used to administrate. So like that, He used to hold all type of what ceremonies. Maybe what here, like a real king, maybe like this coronations, levees, rewards, sentences, pardons, reviews, councils, laws, courts of justice, just like other kings, but in a smaller scale. So here, levies, maybe people who come from neighboring countries as a guest of to his kingdom to maintain that. Rewards, people who are good in their field works, he used to give rewards. Then sentences, a people who have done some mischievous things, according to those activities, he used to give what here? Punishment, sentences. Then pardons. Sometimes he used to excuse a people who are changed what they were before. So that also, maybe reward, sentences, pardons, and also reviews. According to what here? Maybe changes in their administration, in their law, he used to review, used to take some changes in his administration. And councils, even he had what here? Ministry, a ministry of councils to look after portfolios of a different department, maybe revenue department, maybe what some other education to look after, everything was there. So councillors means councils, ministers were there. Then laws, so according to that country they have their own law, means that law was there. Courts of justice, even the court that king used to maintain, and according to that crime they used to punish in that what? Court, courts of justice. Like other kings, he used to maintain all this. So to maintain, maybe rewards, sentences, councils, laws, everything in a small scale. But one thing behind to maintain all this, he should get revenue. So for that purpose, even though he levied a tax on some commodities, apart from that, he levied, taxed, special revenue to collect, he used to levy on gaming house. But it was not good for society. Giving permission to open gaming houses, it is not benefited for people. It is what? Gambling game people, if they go and play in that gaming house, so many people, they may lose their property, their land, even sometimes whatever they have, they used to lose at the time of playing game. So no other way to maintain all this. King realized it is a dirty business, but there is no any another option. to collect the special revenue, he used to he has given permission to those gaming houses. Then, to maintain all those things, maybe rewards, sentence, court, administration, councils, so that money is essential. So, apart from all those difficulties, that king was able to run his administration in a stable, without any fluctuation, because a person who will sit on chair, maybe in the form of what? King, he should have what? Talent, specifically economical talent, where means how to collect the revenue and make them in a proper way distribution, where it can, his administration can run in a proper way. So, everything was running, and even that country was peaceable country, a kingdom, Monaco, it was peaceable country. Then what happens? Suddenly, few years ago, murder was committed in this toy kingdom, small kingdom. Murder was committed, and as we know that here we don't have any specific name of a king, just what here? King of Monaco, king. And person who is committed murder, even there also they have not given any name to that person. So, just only we should remember few years ago that a murder was committed in this what? Kingdom, Monaco kingdom. It was peaceable country, kingdom. Nobody expected this type of what mistake, murder happens. So, how it has happened, that they have not described here, but murder will take place. And to punish that criminal, we know that courts of law was there, and all the what? Eminent lawyers will sit together before to submit sentence, what the punishment to be given to this criminal. All judges will sit together and they go through according to their law, and also here they will put the case in a proper judicial manner. Judicial manner. It should be in the judicial manner. So, all the judges will sit, they go through, they will argue, and even maybe prosecutors, jurymen, barristers, judges, everyone they will sit, they will argue, they will discuss. They will discuss. At last, they will come to conclusion what punishment to be given to that criminal. To that criminal. So, maybe all the people, they are eminent, means judges, barristers, jurymen, prosecutors, everyone they will sit and they will discuss in the judicial manner. They will decide, they will come to conclusion, this to this fellow, this is the punishment to be given. So at last, and before submitting that sentence, they will discuss and they will go to this king, submit the what? King. They will submit this what the decision they have taken. They will submit the sentence to the king, and king will read what they decided according to what laws which was there in that Monaco. All the eminent well-known people sat together, discussed, and at last they will submit sentence, what the sentence to be given to that criminal, they will submit, and that king will read and confirmed, he will confirm, he will read the sentence and confirm it. If the fellow must be executed, execute him. So here what they decided means that criminal to have his head cut off as the law directs. See, according to their law, that criminal's head to be cut off. Just what head to be cut off? What the sentence they will give, submit to king of Monaco, and Monaco king will read and confirm. What he will say? If the fellow, means that criminal, must be what here? Executed. Cut off his head. Execute him. Take. You can cut his head according to that criminal's crime in the form of judicial manner. All the eminent people will sit together, they will take a decision, and according to law, that criminal should be cut off, means they used to cut, means according to law, his head should be cut off, and that the sentence will give to king, and even king will say, if it is what the judicial points will tell according to judiciary, yes, you can carry on. You can what? Cut his head. This was the what incident happens in that small kingdom. So that is what here. From beginning to until this, we know that a small tiny kingdom which lies on the Mediterranean Sea, either side of this what borders of France and Italy, and the population of that kingdom was 7,000. Even they have an army, the strength of the army is what here? 60 soldiers, and to that one general was there to look after 60 men, 60 soldiers. That small army was there, and like other kings, he too old as a kinglet of that Monaco country, and collecting to maintain his court palace. He used to collect the sources from the side of what here, putting tax on tobacco, spirits, wine, poll tax. And even though collecting from there, money was not sufficient to give a proper smooth administration, so that sources was not enough to run. So he thought to give the permission of gaming house, where the people used to come and play the cards, gambling game they used to play in that gaming house. Before, all the countries used to given a permission. After some years they stopped, but all the people, maybe neighboring countries, when they stopped, those people, foreigners, what we say, neighboring country people, they started to coming to this small kingdom, Monaco, where they can spend time in the playing this game in gaming house, so that sources was coming continuously in that water, because of people who used to come from neighboring as well as own country people. Number of gaming houses started, and maximum source collected, and owner of that gaming houses, from them king started collecting what special source as to maintain all to run in a smooth way. So even though he knew that it was a dirty business, there is no any avoidable to run his administration. It was running in this manner, but suddenly after few years before, one person committed murder. Committed what? He has killed a person. It was peaceable country, that a criminal has murdered someone, and all the judges, jurymen, barristers, the advocates, they will sit together, they will read according to judicial manner. They thought to punish that person who has committed murder to that person. So in the judicial manner, what it directs, law will tell. According to law, it will say that person who has committed murder, that fellow's head should be cut off. What law directs according to judicial way, that person's head to be cut off. So that sentence will go, that sentence what the judicial means judiciary tells, law directs, according to that what they conclude, all the eminent judges who sat, then argued and discussed, and what the sentence they take from that law tells to be cut off his head, and that sentence they will take towards king, and they will tell to king that and the king will read the sentence and confirms it. If the fellow, means that criminal, must be executed, cut off his head, come on, you do it, execute him, you can take action on him. Like that, here the decision they will take. Now remaining part of this short story written by famous Russian writer Leo Tolstoy, short story, remaining part I will continue in the next class. Thank you.